Ha- Hi everyone. We want to figure out which of these numbers is bigger. On the left hand side we have some power towers of 2. In fact we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth power tower of 2. And on the right hand side we have 4 raised to the power 4444. So we want to figure out which number is bigger. One thing I want to tell you is that you cannot just multiply these exponents because this is a power tower, and I will tell you what does this mean and how to simplify this guy. Okay, let's solve it. So first of all, whenever you see a power tower, you need to solve it downwards. By downwards, we mean we need to simplify the top tower first of all, and then we would proceed as if you simplify this tower, then you will simplify this tower, and so on. You cannot just multiply these exponents. Okay, this is how the tower operations are defined. So first of all, 2 raised to the power 2 means 4. So this guy is then equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2. We have 3 towers of 2, and then two towers of 2 are simplified as 4. So this guy is equal to this number, and on the right hand side I want to convert this number as base 2, and therefore I can write this 2 as 2 raised to the power 2. The 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2, and then on top of it we have 4444, this number as it is. Okay, so far so good. And now, as I said, we have to move downwards. So we have simplified 2 towers. Now we have these 2 further towers, 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 4, and we know that 2 raised to the power 4 means multiplying 2 4 times, and which is equal to 16. Therefore, this tower, the left number will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2. If you look at here, there are 2 towers of 2. So 2 raised to the power 2 as it is, and I have simplified these towers, so this is equal to 16. And on the right hand side, now I will use a property that says if you have a raised to the power m raised to the power n. So now if you look at here, you have parentheses. If you don't have parentheses, then that means you have these towers. If you have parentheses, then that means you just multiply these exponents. Okay, so let's use this property here because you have parentheses here. If you don't have parentheses, then it is a power tower. Okay, since we have parentheses, so we can write this guy as 2 raised to the power, multiply these numbers, 2 times 4444. Okay, since we are comparing, if you look at here, the bases are same, you can just cross out these bases. So on the left hand side you will have just 2 raised to the power 16, and on the right hand side you will have 2 times 4444. So far so good. Okay, now I want to write 2 raised to the power 16 as 2 raised to the power 13 times 2 raised to the power 3. Since the bases are same, you can add the exponents and you will end up with 16. And I can simplify this guy. I can factor out this number 4444 as follows. So first let me rewrite 2 as it is, and then I can just pull out 4. In other words, the factors of this number are 4 times 1111. Okay, now if you look at here, 2 times 4 is 8, and that can be cancelled with this 8. So on the left hand side we have 2 raised to the power 13, and on the right hand side we have 1111. But 2 raised to the power 13 is much greater than 1111, because I think 2 raised to the power 9 is in fact 512. So 2 raised to the power 10 will be double of this, and 2 raised to the power 11 will be double of that double number. So in short, this guy is much greater than this number. So that means among these two numbers, this number is the larger one. Okay, thank you so much.